Welcome, my friends. Welcome to Big Red Leads. I am Big Red, getting you and your business back to the black. Now, with that being said, I wanted to talk to you today. Listen to a little music. I want to talk to you today about being decisive. Make a decision today. Make a decision. Make a decision. Make a decision. No matter what it is, make a decision. There are two things that a lot of people have quoted and keep repeating. I'm firm on this. I stand up for this. I stand up for that. Now, if it's a thought or a simple process, it's trust me when I say this. It's okay to be flexible in your thought, in your perception, in the view that someone else might view something, their perception of an idea or a thought. Understand that's perfectly fine. When it comes to your dreams and your goals, there is no flexibility in that. Now, the way to finish and get it done, there can be flexibility in that. Trust me, the faster you make a decision and you're being decisive on what it is you want to do, trust me, you'll get there quicker when I say this, because you'll get your failures out of the way. And you're going to take those L's, those hot L's. You want to get those hot L's out of the way. Why do you want to get them out of the way? Because those are lessons. You learn what not to do faster, and you continue on the process of getting better. Now, when you are truly decisive, I got a question for the ladies out there. All my ladies who watch these videos, who watch me, I want an honest answer on this. What is sexier than a man who is decisive? I'll let y'all answer that. You talk amongst yourselves. Fellas, when I'm saying this to you, how many times have you asked your girlfriend or your wife, or just, whoever you're seeing, and you ask them a simple question: Hey honey, what do you want for dinner? And it becomes 5 different places, other than cooking a meal at home. Now here's the thing. Flip it over. I'm talking to the ladies again. It drives you crazy, doesn't it? When a man is not decisive. Even if his decision is a quote unquote loss or failure, or you didn't enjoy the meal, he made a decision. What I'm simply getting at when it comes to your life, personal development, your business, your dreams, these things you should not be flexible on. You should be very decisive in what it is you're doing, what you're striving for, what you are trying to obtain. See it, touch it, obtain it. You know what I mean? Like, it's that quick. Because guess what? If you get those no's out of the way, this is something I learned very early in sales. This is when I was knocking door to door. Knocking door to door sales will teach you it's okay to receive your no's. Why? Because I know the next person will say yes. Let me get these no's. Get all these no's. No, 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 no. A lot of people can't handle that because they can't handle sales because they can't deal with the no's and the rejection. Understand, if you are trained and you are decisive in your action, the results come. They come. They come. They come. They come. And that is what winning, getting stronger, training, knowing what and who you are in the space, and mastering and pushing forward and being decisive in that moment brings you. That is the reward. In other words, you have to give to receive. You have to seek to find. So when you make these decisions and when you are being flip-flopping and you can't make a decision, one, it's unattractive. Two, it puts you in a space where you are overthinking and talking yourself out of doing the thing that you know you need to do. Stop it. I'm saying this with love. The faster you can make a decision, the faster you can get to where you want to be. So, with that being said, like, share, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button quickly and make a decision. It's that simple. It's that simple. What are your goals? Are you writing your goals down every day? You make a decision to do that. Are you writing your fitness goals down every day? Are you writing down your financial goals every day? Are you writing down your relationship goals every day? Personal development goals. All these things take a real decision. I really have nothing more to say. Like I said, this is going to be a quick video. I want you to be more decisive today. Every day. In every moment. It's okay to be wrong. It's okay to be incorrect. You get more information, your decision might change. Don't pin yourself in by not making a decision. Leaving yourself with your thoughts in limbo is a losing situation. Take wins, not L's. So, make a decision today. Do something that you can be proud of. Stand up for something. Make sure it's concrete or soft grass, whatever it might be for you. Have a great one, my friends. It's been a pleasure. This is Big Red. This is Big Red Leads. Have a great day. Talk soon. Love you all.